don't get angry on me for spending money. Hi, this is Elly, and this is going to be an unboxing video again because, yeah, and I have actually ordered a very special thing. I live alone in a new city, so I thought that it would be nice to add some personal touches, and I also was kind of missing my mom. Don't tell her, please, huh? Because I like to live alone, but also I miss my mom. It's a weird situation. She also was teasing me on the same. But yeah, I love you, mom. Let's unbox and see if the things I ordered or my little friends which I ordered are okay or not. Come. Ta-da! So I got a few plants from Ogao. Seen it on Instagram. So let's see. Wee, wee, wee. Out there alive. I ordered 4 plants. They're all indoor plants, by the way. I'm supposed to just take it out. Yeah. So this is the first plant. Oh ho ho. The mud is coming out. It's making my bedroom messy. Oh no, I put it on my bed also. I am very smart. I should open from here, no? Yeah, it's leaking. Okay, but this is the plant. Okay. So this is the first plant. Oh, this one leaked a lot. Bro, this one leaked a lot. This is the second plant. And this is the third plant. Ooh. Oh, this is a peace lily. Nice. Here's a couple of instructions. It's nice. I mean, Bangalore is... It's not as pure as my hometown because I come from a very small place. So, okay, what's this? So, I did not get names for the other 2 plants, but this one is an areca palm plant, which again is for purifying the air because obviously Bangalore. And I'm gonna post about these after a week and how are they surviving. Hope they help me and my surrounding, and I will feel better because these are my emotional support buddies, guys. It's funny how I'm turning into my mom because she is someone who loves books and she also loves plants. She actually has a terrace garden. We have a 15 to 20 feet long small garden, has so many plants. She takes care of them, and she's also slowly shifting to more like vegetable and fruit plants. I thought growing up that, oh, I mean, it's good to have plants, but they are so much work. And I don't know why my mom is like, why she loves plants and books. As I'm growing up, as I'm near the age where my frontal lobe is going to be fully developed, I think I understand, mom. Plants and books are the best. Bye bye.